कि गैविन ने कहा है कि ये जो लुक है ये वॉरियर्स फ्रॉम हेवन ऑन अर्थ, तो द इंस्पिरेशन इज़ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन, और आई थिंक गैविन हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन इन हिज लाइफ, सो डू आई, एंड आई थिंक इन हिज क्लोथ्स, चाहे वो क्रिश 3 हो, चाहे वो कभी ये ड्रेस हो, आई थिंक I feel beautiful, I feel fierce and sexy at the same time. तो ये इनके कपड़ों की खासियत है कि makes you look very very wicked and sexy in a very sweet way.
Kangna, we've always seen you, being very experimental with your fashion statements. How much of an advantage is it to have a friend like Gavin here, because this dress was amazing. They were amazing.
आई थिंक जितने मेरे को क्रिश 3 के लिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले हैं उतने मुझे कभी भी आज तक किसी फिल्म के लिए नहीं मिले हैं, एंड द क्रेडिट इंटायरली गोज टू गैविन. एंड टुडे ऑल्सो जब इन्होंने मुझे ये आउटफिट पहले दिखाया, गॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड. मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे लेजी मूड में थी, बट व्हेन ही शोड मी द लुक I was like, yes, we have to rock this look, and we have to make it look it's already very very beautiful, but I like to do new things when it comes to fashion and style, and Gavin obviously makes it very very easy and effortless for me. I think पिक्चरों में भी करती हूँ मैं काफ़ी अपनी लुक्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट, और जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि फैशन इज़ ऑल अबाउट फॉर मी, ऑल अबाउट एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड not just playing safe and not just trying to be pretty all the time, और खासकर I think it is a sign of strong women who take risk in life and who take risk with their looks and the character I play. I think it's a sign of my strength and my confidence in myself. लेडी गागा को लोग कहते हैं कि वो मेडोना जैसी दिखना चाहती है, तो कंपैरिजन तो होते ही रहते हैं.
Last question.
Well, I don't think कि मेरा कंपैरिजन लेडी गागा के साथ होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आई एम एन एक्टर, शी इज़ अ पॉप स्टार. लेकिन अगर कहीं फैशन में चाहे वो लेडी गागा हो या मिली साइरस हो या जो भी हो, हर लड़की आजकल के ज़माने में काफ़ी पावरफुल हैं और सब अपने लुक्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करती हैं. और आई थिंक इन इंडिया ऑल्सो वी शुड डू अ लॉट मोर ऑफ these looks and these clothes and make women look very strong.
Yeah, I mean, last year you had Kangna with you as well, and this year again we have Kangna walking for you. Tell us a little about this friendship between designer and actress friendship.
Friendship apart, I think that she is one actress stroke woman who is very very powerful, and I've seen her evolve from a young girl, because I did her first portfolio, and we moved on for many more months together, working together many more years, and I think that she epitomizes the essence of the new woman in this country, and I think who better to choose.
Yeah, when I did my first portfolio, I was like, Gavin is giving me clothes, Gavin is giving me clothes, like he was this star designer who's lending me clothes, and I think it's amazing that we have sustained this friendship for 8 years now. That was way back in 2005, and it is amazing that when I was 17, he did my first. It's amazing. He took me back in memory. It's nice.
So it's going strong now.
Costumes, the hair is drawing a lot of attention.
That credit goes to Caroline, Gavin's very very talented wife, beautiful wife.
Yes.
So that credit goes to Caroline.
Thank you guys. Thank you.